Here we have the D47 yeast. This D47 yeast is really good if you are making mead. It's a slower fermentation, just like most meads are, and it has a little bit of a higher alcohol tolerance, around 15%. The fermentation range is around 10 to 35 Celsius, and it's also made for white full-bodied wines, trying to say that 3 times, and the nutrient requirements are a little bit lower, so this is a really good option for mead. Again, when you are making mead, if this is the one that you're making for, the D47, just be aware that of the acidity levels. You will sometimes want to add a bit more acid during fermentation, or as well as nutrient levels, just because it's such a sweet concoction. This makes from 1 gallon to 6 gallons of batch, so the full package for that, and the instructions as well are on our website for how to start it if you want to make it a fuller fermentation, just using the prepped items on the back here.